So this pretty cool project came across my screen and I knew I had to set it up. So I haven't really downloaded anything for this like I would in some other cases, but I've got the tabs ready to go. So what it is it is a re-implementation of the AOL Instant Messenger server that actually works with the classic AOL Instant Messenger client. So it works with any of the AIM clients, like version 5.0 on down, or version 5 on down, buddy icons, buddy lists. It's got pretty much everything implemented. File sharing is LAN only, LAN internet to send file, talk protocol clients, whatever. So anything that can connect to an AOL Instant Messenger client or server can connect to this, it looks like. You've also got ICQ that it supports as well. So we can run the server with any of these. They've got it for Linux, Mac, and Windows. You can set it up in a VM on your network and have a chat client set up and ready to go, or set it up so it's open and online. You do have options for configuring the client through the API. Obviously, we're probably going to be going the curl route here rather than the PowerShell invoke web request route. But anyway, that's what we're doing. So first thing we need to do is set up that's the client one, the server. So all we've got to do is download the server from here. So they've got a few options. It looks like you can set it up on a Raspberry Pi if you wanted to, and set up your own home instant messaging service. Or you could set it up, obviously, Linux, Mac, and Windows. We're going to pick the good one, obviously. We will download that. It shouldn't take long. It's only like 5 megabytes. So Starlink being pretty quick. We are going to go to our downloads now. I should have picked retro aim. We're going to extract that. Going to go here, going to /retro aim server. So all we have to do, the default is set to basically localhost. So all we have to do is run the server and then go from there. So all we'd have to do then is run a client to connect to. So let's see. What we're going to do is I've got a bottle set up for it already. We're going to run an application in here. Going to launch it inside of a bottle that I've set specifically for this. Yes, next. I miss old installers, honestly. Pick the really good one. We will install that right away. Let's see. So new user. Oh. Nope. Okay, so we need to set up our server. Let's make sure that we've got local area LAN. Here, connection. So if I do that, I can do connection 127.0.0.1. Okay. Apply okay. We are going to go through now and run the server. So it's 5194. Yeah, I believe that That's one of our options. Let's double check our setup. Connection. Let's not lose focus. What's that? 5190 would have worked, I guess, huh? Yeah, auth is 5190. Let's go back and set up connection 90. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, so if we go back to the page here, what we need to do is set up a new user. Curl D. So we can create AOL users, ICQ users, we can delete users. Now you can see it's slightly different with this one versus this one, but the concept remains the same when you're deleting or changing a password. So we are going to start up a new window. We are going to curl-D and we are going to curly brace, double quote for our reference, screen name password. Was it? Yeah. Screen name. Good password. Because for the most secure one. And then, yeah, checks out. And then we can go http://127.27.0.0/8080. No. :8080/user. And that created the account successfully. So now we can go ahead and, as noted, curl this bit here to get a list of our users. And now we should be able to log in as myself with the good password. We're going to save the password and we're going to sign on. We're going to cancel that. So we can create a profile. Let's see. Nope, we don't need. Available for chat. And finish. So now we've got everything pulled up. You can see we've got our cool little tooltip bar here. We've got the chat window, it's the buddy window itself here, and we are logged into our own AOL server. Now I could, I guess, chat, but you know, that's a thing. Now technically, I think what we can do as well, do I have... I do. It's been forever since I've used that. Gonna accept that. Okay, where's my manage accounts? We're gonna add an account. We're gonna go. Do I not have it in here? Really? Gadu IRC SNPP. Okay, so what we need to do, buddies, plugins, maybe. We want... Nope. Okay, so going to quit. Well, Pigeon, I believe, at one point could, probably through a different plugin. There's the ability to, if I really looked for it, but I don't quite want to sit here and look for everything. So yeah. Oh, it works pretty well. If you had other people on, you could set them up and have your own AOL server for family, friends, coworkers, and whatnot, and you could work with it there. And do they have settings for the ticker just yet to configure that? I don't think they do. But yeah, if you ever wanted to relive the AOL Instant Messenger days, Retro AIM server is one of your ways to do it. If you liked the content, if you enjoyed it, if you think I deserve it, like, comment, subscribe, leave any criticisms you have or what have you. I appreciate it. Feed that algorithm, like I said, and I will see you guys in the next one.